Okay guys, back to the answers hub. We're going to be just dropping back a section and then coming forward. Let me show you. So this is a little one for Henry. A little salute to you kids. Sorry I didn't get to it earlier. She's had a busy old time of things. So the question is, I know I have to check every first of the month. And the question I have on the monthly chart to do this, and what is the ATR and what do I need to have, standard 14, etc. Okay. What we're looking for with the ATR check at the beginning of the month, now you can do it beginning of the month, beginning of the week, beginning of the day. It doesn't really matter. The ATR doesn't change that much. So doing it once a week or once a month is fine. The setting is 14. You can use a 10 if you wish, but 14 is as good as any. And it's the daily ATR what you're looking for, the day. So look at the daily ATR. It'll give you a number, like say cable at the moment is running at around 80. So what you would do with that 80 is, to get a minimum target, is you divide it by 3 and then divide it by 3 again. What that is, it's the first division gives you roughly the waves of the market, and the second division gives the wave inside a wave, or the profit inside a wave, because you're not going to get the bottom third, you're not going to get the top third, you're going to get the bit in the middle, and that's where it comes from. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.